Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。Continuing on phone conversation topics right here all month long. 整个月呢，我们要教大家使用客家话呢，是电话的这个客家话。好，那今天教一个比较糗的东西 something that could be embarrassing at times or awkward at times because a lot of times we call someone and we got the wrong number 或者我们接到电话 maybe we receive a call and someone called the wrong number, right? 所以就会有一些对话存在了，对不对？
好，
比如说打到一个地方，然后呢你接起来，然后呢他说我要找黄小姐，好了，根本没有黄小姐，那你就说没有这个人，你打错了哦。There's no such person here. I think you got the wrong number. OK， 这怎么说呢？
冇呀嘅人呢？
冇呀嘅人，
好，再一次哦。冇呀嘅人呢？
冇呀嘅人呢？冇呀嘅人呢？
唔答唔錯咧。
唔答唔錯咧。OK, that means there's no such person. You got the wrong number.
海陸腔。
海陸腔。打錯了。OK, different dialect for you got the wrong number.
答唔錯咧。
答唔錯咧。
好像感觉
广东话，
而且好像还很客气，跟人家说“打唔丑嘞”。
你是故意这样子的吗？
没有，
真的就是有那种痛调哈。
会呀，常常那种长辈都会这样“打唔丑嘞”。
Oh, it sounds a little bit more polite in that dialect right there when you say you got the wrong number. Okay, or maybe it is the right number. 有时候打到公司去哦，找一个人，黄先生在吗？其实是有这个人，可是他离职了，
对，
尴尬哦。所以呢，a lot of times maybe you call an office place and then this person was there, but maybe he left work already or he quit the job for some time. 所以会说，他没在这上班喽。
佢冇啲呀。
佢冇啲呀。
上班嘞。
上班嘞，哦，上班嘞就是上班嘛 ，means going to work. 佢冇啲呀，没有在这。Oh, that means not here anymore, not working here anymore. 或者说他离职很久了，有些人可能很久没联络了，可是事实上已经离职很久了。That means she left this company a long time ago.
佢離開。
佢離開。
董久嘞。
董久嘞 ，OK， 他離開很久了。董就是很的意思，對不對？So if you got the wrong number, perhaps you want to apologize and you would say 對不起，我打錯了。歹勢 ，sorry。
捱打唔錯嘞。
捱打唔錯嘞。So if you make that mistake, now you know how to say it in Hakka. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
案子誰張來了？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.